An incredible Collingwood half-duplex opportunity is waiting for you. Tucked off the street, a tree-lined patio leads to your front door and tile-framed entry with an abundance of built-in storage before the two-piece bathroom. A quartz-topped island is front and center, surrounding contemporary white cabinetry and stainless steel appliances next to the marble backsplash. Oversized glass sliding doors lead to the deck that overlooks the patio below. Crown molding and wainscoting set off soaring ceilings with built-in speakers. Upstairs, the second bedroom has a private balcony and three-piece ensuite with a marble tile shower surround. The primary bedroom has cabinetry opposite the closet with built-ins. A deep soaker tub in the ensuite sits opposite the separate shower, continuing the marble tile theme. The ground floor has a self-contained studio space with a separate entrance in addition to interior access. Radiant heated floors and air conditioning help you maintain a comfortable home year-round. Just one block from the Kingsway corridor has you surrounded by restaurants, amenities, and transit options.